Today we have a 2021 Mazda CX-30. It's got the 2.5 motor. The customer was into a shop and they said they should replace their cabin air filter. We're going to show you where that's located and how to replace it. So your cabin filter happens to be under here. It's something that should be replaced every 15 to 30,000 miles. Depends on if you live on a dirt road, just conditions where you live. All right, this one happens to be, if you can zoom up on her, underneath here. Now there are 3 tabs that move across, or 4 tabs actually that move across. You got to push them forward, and it's hard to do all 4 of them at one time, so I usually just start on one end, put a finger up there, hopefully you got a nail. You push this forward right there, get a nail up in there and pry it down. And once you get it started down, you can do the rest of them the same way all the way until it releases. Get that one started, go to the next one, hit it like that, just slide across like that. You can get a screwdriver in there if you have to, but you should be able to just do it with your fingernails, hopefully. And I mean, you can see it. There's that one. There's one last one over here. Push that down, the whole thing drops out and just pulls out like that. There you got your 2 tabs here. You got one here, one up on top. Take your fingers and squeeze it together, which I cannot really show you until I get it out. You push those together and just pull it straight out like that. We're going to pull this thing out like that. There's your cabin filter. So this car is a 2021. It's only got like 45,000 on it. You can see that this cabin filter is filthy. So that's why it should be replaced every 15 to 30, depends on conditions. You can see a definite difference. This one is a Mazda original, never changed. On both of them, they are going to have an arrow that's right there that you want to make sure the air flows right. So when you install it, it has to be down like that. So now it's ready to install. So you just want to double check to make sure the same size these are. You start sliding it in, arrows down, double check on that, and just push it back until you hear it click like that. Last thing here, we take this, we're going to put these right here, line these up with the back here, and just snap it into place. Once you line up those back ones, you just push it in like that, and they just push up into place. Listen for it to click, and that's all it takes to do a cabin filter on a 2021 Mazda CX-30.